1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Aero Coupe. Of course, Chevy GM needed a little boost in the arm. Try to take over the Thunderbird that had been dominating NASCAR with Bill Elliott in the early 80s. This is what they came up with. Some say this is the car that made Earnhardt the legend. This particular car, a little over 40,000 original miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. The 305 V8 high output engine underneath the hood that is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlight surrounds. Now, if you want to check out still pictures of this so you can see the interior, you can check out the trunk, underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct wheels along with Firehawk Indy 500 radials. This would be the white with maroon interior combination and red graphics on it. Of course, the interior is going to have cloth buckets, center console with a shifter on the floor. It does have a Pioneer aftermarket stereo system and some different speakers in it. They are in working order and sound good. It will also come with a dash mat. If you want to protect the dash, I will put that back in the trunk. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some dual exhaust. We'll start it up here in a second so you can hear it run. Check out the rear window. Of course, that's where the Aero Coupe comes from. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Paint shows as you'd expect around this car, considering age of it. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents. Miles confirmed. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Also what you would expect for the miles on the car. Door panels, of course, power windows, power locks. It does have the remote mirror on the driver's side here. And FYI, have the floor mats in now. There are pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mats in the still pictures, so go ahead and check those out. No cracking down here in the vinyl, which is pretty common to see. A little bit of wear on the piping at the end here, you can see that. But as far as the fabric material, nice shape. The other thing I will tell you about this is if I stand back a little bit, if you've watched my videos before, like right there is the true color of that seat. If you get right up on the maroon, sometimes a few different colors, if you get up on them, it's going to wash them out like that. It'll start to wash the seat out. It's more of a burgundy maroon color like that right there to match the interior. All right, wipers do work. Did say I had that Pioneer aftermarket stereo working. There's your exact miles, 45,380. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it. Of course, you have the fasten seat belt chime, and then it goes out, and there are no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. Does not appear the tack is working there, FYI. Top of the dash, I did notice one little spot there. Other than that, look good. And remember, you do get that dash mat in the trunk. If you want to put that on the dash, help protect it from here on out. Go right ahead. Stereo system. Let's see, here we go. Get to a station, that'll come in here in a second. There we go. And I haven't adjusted treble, tone, anything like that. So I'll let you know the stereo is working. And that does have aftermarket speakers with it. Also, of course, center console. And then passenger seats also in good condition. As well as the headliner, and I'll show you that when we hop out and we slip around to the back. And headliner. also in good shape, as well as the rear seats. And again, check those all out in the still pictures. Nice little rumble coming out of that. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. 305 high output V8, in power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note compressor does not kick on and off. It may need to be recharged. I did notice that it has been converted from the R12. It does have the larger fittings on it, so it has been converted. Nice tidy engine bay. What you would expect for a car with this kind of miles on it. Sounds good. Sometimes, like I say, it's what you don't hear underneath the hood. This one you hear what you should. Smooth running V8, 1987 Monte Carlo, SS Aero Coupe. Original miles, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trade-ins. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call that or email.